Now coming to time and work. A and B can do a work in 12 days. B and C can do in 15 days. C and A in 20 days. If A, B and C work together, they will complete the work in. What is given here? A and B. It means A plus B. Here we are adding efficiency of A and efficiency of B. With that efficiency, they can do the work in 12 days. They can do the work in 12 days. B and C together can do the work in 15 days. C and A together can come to the work in 20 days. From this, what we can say, who is more efficient? Which group is more efficient? A plus B or B plus C or B C plus A? C plus A is taking 20 days. It means they are taking more time to do a work. B and C is taking 15 days, and A plus B, it means A and B are taking 12 days, less time. It means they are more efficient. It means they will do more work. When people are more efficient, they do more work. Okay. Now, here this is what. How to solve this question? We don't know the total work. Instead of taking total work as X units or 1 unit, we will choose a convenient value. How to choose that convenient value? Total work equivalents to, okay, nothing but LCM of the given days. What is the LCM? 12, 15, 20. LCM of 12, 15 and 20, which is equals to 60. Assume the total work as 60 units. Now work done per day, we will see. What is the total work? 60 units. They are taking how many days to complete? 12 days. See, to do 60 units, they are taking 12 days. 12 days, 60 units. So, 1 day, 60 by 12, which is equals to 5 units per day. A and B together are doing 5 units per day. Similarly, here, B and C, 60 by 12. The 60 is the total work. 60 by 15, sorry. 60 by 15. The 60 is the total work. 15 is the days. So, to do 60 units, B and C together are taking 15 days. So, in 1 day, B and C together will do 60 by 15, that equal to 4 units per day. Now, to do 60 units, C and A are taking 20 days. Per day, C and A will do how many units? 60 by 20, that equals to 3 units per day. Now, if you add all the efficiency, what I get? 2 times, because A is 2 times and B is there 2 times and C is there 2 times. So 2 times efficiency of A, B and C are doing how many units per day? This is 5 units per day, 4 units per day, 3 units per day. So 12 units per day. I am adding all the work done per day. Okay, 5 plus 4 plus 3, 12. With what efficiency they are doing? 2 times efficiency of A, B and C. If A, B and C work together, they can do how many units per day? 6 units per day. Here 2 times the efficiency. If with 1 time efficiency, they will do half of the work, that is 6 units per day. Now what is the question is asking us to find? If A, B and C work together, they will complete the work in. So we have to find the days. Number of days required is equivalent to, okay, total work. What is the total work? 60 units by A, B and C together doing how many units per day? 6 units per day. Units and units will get cancels. 6 ones, 6 tens. So you will get 10 days. If all 3 work together, they can complete the work in 10 days. So the answer is option 3. Coming to second one. A and B can do a piece of work in 72 days. A and B can do the work in 72 days. This is days. And B and C together are taking 120 days. A and C together are taking 90 days. See, this is efficiency of A and efficiency of B. Efficiency of A, B and efficiency of C. Efficiency of A and efficiency of C. If A and B together are taking 72 days, B and C together are taking 120 days, and A and C together are taking 90 days to complete a certain work. We don't know what is the work. What we have to do? Total work is nothing but what? LCM of given days. So 72, 120 and 90, which is equals to 360. Now let us find work done per day. Work done per day is nothing but 360 by 72. To do 360 units, A and B together are taking 72 days. So one day how much they do? 360 by 72, that equal to 5 units per day. Similarly, B and C together will do how many units per day? Total work divided by total number of days. You will get work done per day, that equal to 3 units per day. Next, A and C together will do how many units per day? 360 by 90, which is equals to 4 units per day. Now A is there 2 times, it means efficiency of A with 2 times efficiency of A and 2 times efficiency of B and 2 times efficiency. With 2 times efficiency of A, B and C, they're doing how many units per day? 12 units per day. With 1 efficiency of A, B and C, they will do how many units? 6 units per day. Now to do, how much time they take to complete the work if all 3 work together? So days required equals to total work by work done per day. So 6 units per day, that equals to 60 days. The answer is option 3. Now a particular job can be completed by a team of 10 men. A team of 10 men can do the work in 12 days. Okay. Now the same job can be completed by a team of 10 women. So 10 women can do the work in 6 days. Okay. Now how many days are needed to complete the job if the 2 teams work together? 2 teams work together. I will consider this as a 10 men as team A, and I will consider this as team B. A can do the work in 12 days and B can do the work in 6 days. I am simplifying this phrases. Okay, I am considering 10 men as A and 10 women as B. Okay, now I can say like this: A can do the work in 12 days and B can do the work in 6 days. If they work together, in how many days the work will be completed? With common sense, without solving this question, how we can do? If B alone does the work, he can do the work in how many days? 6 days. Okay. With the help of A, he will take less than 6 days or more than 6 days? Simply less than 6 days. Go through the options. Which option has less than 6 days? So option 2 can be ruled out because the answer will be less than 6 days. This is ruled out, this is ruled out. The answer is simply option 1. This is by logical method. Okay, let us see the process. Assume the total work. See here, A can do the work in 12 days, B can do the work in 6 days. Assume the total work as LCM of 12 and 6, that equals to 12. Assume the total work is 12 units. Now work done per day, let us see. If A takes 12 days to complete 12 units per day, A will do how many units? 12 by 12, which is nothing but 1 unit per day. If B takes 6 days to do 12 units in one day, they will do how many units? 2 units per day. Now together A and B together will do how many units per day? 3 units per day. So number of days required to complete the number of days required to complete the work will be total work. What is total work? 12 units divided by work done per day. Work done per day is 3 unit per day, that equals to 4 days. This is the process. Okay, next. A can do the work in 6 days and B can do the work in 9 days. How many days will both take together to complete the work? So here says that A takes 6 days and B takes 9 days. This is in days. So how will you assume the total work? Total work equivalents to LCM of 9 and 6, which is nothing but 18. LCM of 9 and 6, we are assuming that. Okay, now A will do how many units per day? So total work is 18. To do 18 units, A is taking 6 days. So per day A will do how many units? 18 by 6, that equals to 3 units per day. Coming to B, B will take 9 days to complete 18 units. So per day it means 18 by 9, total work by number of days, that equals to 2 units per day. A is taking 3 units per day, A is doing 3 units per day and B is doing 2 units per day. A and B together will do how many units per day? 5 units per day. Simply adding these two, 5 units per day. Now what is the question? How many days will both take together to complete the work? Simply the number of days required is equivalent to total work. What is the total work? 18 divided by work done per day. What is the work done per day? A and B together 5 units per day. On simplification you will get 3.6 days. So the answer is option 3. A and B can do a piece of work in 10 days, B and C in 15 days and C and A in 20 days. C alone can do the work in. Now see here, with efficiency of A and efficiency of B, they are taking 10 days to complete the work. With efficiency of B and C, they are taking 15 days to complete the work. With C and A, they are taking 20 days to complete the work. Assume the total work equivalents to LCM of 10, 15, 20, which is equals to 60. Assume the total work as 60 units. So let us find work done per day. Work done per day is nothing but, see here, A and B are taking 10 days to do 60 units. Per day it means total work by number of days. They will do how many units? 6 units per day. Similarly, B and C will do 60 by 15, 4 units per day. And C and A 60 by 20, so they will do 3 units per day. Look at here, A is 2 times, B is 2 times and C is 2 times. With 2 times the efficiency of A, B and C, they are doing how many units per day? 12 units per day. With 1 time efficiency of A, B and C, they will do how many units? 6 units per day. Look at the question carefully. C alone can do the work. Now if C alone does, how many days will it take? Simple. A and B together are doing how many units per day? A and B together they are doing sorry, here this is 13, you will get 13 units per day. So here you will get 13 by 2. 13 by 2. A, B and C together doing 13 by 2 units per day. Now A and B together are doing how many units per day? 6 units per day. So if I send, this is A and B together are doing 6 units per day. This is efficiency, not the people. Okay, A and B together are doing 6 units per day. With the help of C, they are doing 13.5 units per day. 13 by 2, 13 by units per day. Implies C is doing how many units per day? Half unit per day. C, if C works alone, it will do half unit per day. If C alone works, number of days required for C is equivalent to total work. What is total work? 60 units divided by work done per day is equivalent to 120 days. So the answer is option 2. See here once again, A and B together are doing 6 units per day, B and C together doing 4 units per day, C and A together are doing 3 units per day. All 3 together with twice their efficiency doing 13 units per day. With one time the efficiency of A, B and C are together are doing 13 by 2 units per day. And we know that A and B together are doing 6 units per day. With the help of C, they are doing 6 1 by 2. 13 by 2 is nothing but 6 1 by 2 units per day. It means C is doing half unit per day. Number of days required for C is nothing but total work, which we assumed as 60 units. 60 by work done by C per day, which is half. On simplification,